Got calling Union 31.
Answer the radio, fucker.
Did you say Union 31?
Yeah.
Call for Union 31.
Union 31.
New dispatch.
Gonna have you in around level 845 traffic fire. 800
Grove Street,
residential fire.
845.
Receive 845 97. Center, Union 31, code 6 in the area, 845.
Copy, thank you.
Good try, this is
306 guy.
I'd block it here.
Traffic 852, Carson Avenue eastbound on a 2-door plan. I have 132.
32, can I identify please?
3 Charles 301.
This is arson, 100%.
Oh, 100%.
Call Gen 0516, 3, take over 327.
It'll put on.
Traffic ready.
Good.
You good?
852 Carson Avenue, alleyway on a 2-door muscle car, occupied times 1 with the doors.
Oh man, and mobility scooter.
Just really quick comment.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna be out front of the Davis PD, at the Davis PD on
Yo.
Innocence Boulevard.
What you want, boys?
It's gonna be on
Did you
a
see who,
motorcycle
did you see anyone on Lightning's Fire?
White top, black helmet.
No.
Sure.
I'm buzzing.
Alright. Well then, I need you to leave the court.
Why is that?
Because I said so.
I was here first.
Well, this is now a crime scene, so I need you to leave.
I will back up.
I need you
Under
to
the
go.
sidewalk?
I need you to go beyond the cop car over there.
I live here. You can't get me out of my house.
Oh, alright, whatever. Just stay at your house then.
All units, volunteer request for a engine company and a ladder company. If you're available, please identify.
On that guy's side, LT.
Drop copies.
Say it again. What that?
I live here. Leave me alone.
Oh, that sounds about right.
With this fucking.
Mobility, man.
Sierra 14 San Andreas.
There's a Eurus across the street.
I just saw that.
Side.
You can show scene on Freeway Code 4 Volume Inspection Service.
Drop copies.
Hello.
Charlie 1238, go.
Hello.
Oh, what?
Hey. Did you see who lit this fire?
I have no clue. I
Alright.
just woke up.
Alright.
New dispatch. Signal 10.
Give me.
Fire. 800 Grove Street.
I
845.
do have a little bit of information.
Okay.
There is this blue, like, older Mustang, I think. I don't know. Like a... I think it's a local vehicle, but it's like... what's inside of it? We've been in the area a lot.
Okay.
And that's all I got, though. He left down here, and then he came back, and then he left, and then he came back, and then last time I seen him, he turned right. That's it.
Okay.
I don't know if he's involved.
Copy. Go clear.
Hey, LT, you want to go throw your car up there at the intersection?
Yeah.
Thank you.
357. Go back to the one with the
Draw copies, Thomas.
Appreciate you tapping that hydrant. You're a
Yeah,
great
no good.
person.
Yeah, you're good.
Draw copies. Go clear, Thomas. 0520. Good to go.
Chop something right.
Send it.
Chop something wrong. 2-door muscle car, 704 South Walker Drive. You got me at Mark 32.
AFM, stand by for 32. Roll calling 5 Charlie 438.
No.
783, 50 request. Go. Eagle 1, go ahead.
I'll be deactivating and going to bring the patrol unit plug that I want to do.
Go copy.
I'm not shocked fired in the area of 846 around the area.
There's about to see some traffic also. Looks like it's coming from the back of.
Yeah, I got a second line off. I'm gonna help you.
I appreciate it. Just stay back a little bit.
Yeah, I got you.
Everything will be sent this Sunday. We believe it's over by the fire station somewhere here at 832.
Hello.
Hi. In BCSO, is it you guys or is it the admins that handle the corporate?
Us and up.
Okay. Is Sadie
Sorry?
like a Sadie?
I don't know. Could we talk after? I'm kind of helping your guys.
Yeah.
You're
3-1 go.
22, hot mic.
Got it.
Can you start another page for volunteer fire?
Go ahead.
Bryce, you can hear them touch fire around 840 California or something. Exactly.
Got it, showing you still some fixed look for it.
Let's try a lot further than that.
3 or 3 Tango 67. I just heard it over by the LC 857. I don't know if it's, I think it's
Try to hit the side of the building. That might be where it's coming from.
All right.
We started again around 838 Davis area.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
We're at the parking lot 832. It's just from there.
God damn.
Oh Lord. Yeah, that was something. I appreciate the help, deputy.
No problem. I used to be a fire chief in a past state, so I kind of know a thing or two.
I feel you. What's your name, if you don't mind me asking?
Lieutenant Bryce McMyers.
Lieutenant.
Yeah.
You said McMyers. What's your call sign?
3 Charlie 9.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't no volley here, but you know, I have knowledge about it, so I figure no one else is coming out.
I really appreciate the help, man.
No problem.
I appreciate it so much.
I'll help you rack these lines and stuff.
I appreciate it, man.
Charlie 9, Charlie 12.
Go.
Come down here and help me and the hose dragger rack some line, please.
Thank you.
Everything up 327, we just had to go off again. Somewhere around the Davis Grove area.
Go, copies.
Everything up 327. Can you attach maybe 1 or 2 more to patrol around the Davis Grove area for us?
FM Canine 31.
Cannon 31.
I'll have you be on the lookout for there's possible shootings in your area.
Affirm, thank you.
We try to see. I just had a blight flee from the disregard. It's a moped.
My inner.
Oh yeah, put this away.
Yep, my inner squirrel couldn't resist.
Oh shit.
All right, you're just gonna feed line up to me.
Yeah, sure.
Everything up 327. I've got a vehicle that's unoccupied here at 839 Broke Ave that has some bust out.
Copy.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Did you like my comment on the radio?
No. Yeah, that was very.
All right, everything's packed up. I've refilled your tank. I took it out of pump gear, so you're good to go.
I appreciate you, man.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it so much.
No problem. Anything you need from me?
No, I don't see any false. I don't see anything that's, could deem as it was,
Yeah.
done incorrectly. So.
All right. All right. Well, we're out of here if you don't need us.
All right. I appreciate it again, man.
Yeah, no problem. If you ever need advice about anything, just shoot me a holler. Just holler, okay?
Oh yeah, no problem. Appreciate it.
Yep. Union 31, control.
Union 31, go ahead.
Law enforcement has been released by Fire and EMS, both law enforcement units in service.
Go copies, thank you.
What the fuck happened?
Control 514.
Oh, now he's on fire.
Committing arson.
Committing
What the fuck is
arson.
happening?
Committing arson. What is going on?
Don't. Charlie 9, I got one at gunpoint. 838. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
Yeah, hey, from row, back up to the fire corner. It's a black motorcycle.
Face
guy
away
wearing,
from
like,
me.
a bird mask, I believe. Last seen.
Face away from me. Don't walk towards me.
Can we get Eagle 1 on this?
Hey, get less lethal.
Eagle 1 what?
If you run in there, you're gonna get shot. If you run in there, you're gonna get shot.
It's no attack right now, but we were in pursuit of a motorcycle.
Hands.
Bonwood,
Hands
black in
now.
color, guy wearing, like, a
Hands
purple
now.
bird mask. We terminated
Show
because of
me
conditions.
your hands.
K922,
Taser.
838 for that panic from the fire. I believe they're on a station lockdown.
Do not move. Do not move.
I'm en route.
Eagle 1 copies.
Turn around.
What's the last
Turn
line on that?
around.
About the black and the bird mask.
You ain't gonna shoot me.
5, 9, or 8 up in Bonwood. We took all the way up there.
Sit.
Don't move.
Control 3 Charlie
Oh
64.
shit! Get the fuck off of me!
Don't move.
Get the fuck off!
Don't move.
Control 2 Tango 16.
Fuck off!
Don't move.
Shoot me,
Stop.
bitch!
Stop
Shoot
resisting.
me! Shoot
I'm
me!
gonna-
Shoot me!
838 McDonald Street for that firefighter panic.
3 Charlie 9, hold the air. Shots fired. 1 down.
It's the 20, sir.
838 McDonald at this fire station.
So 5 more units coming your way.
Vector 49, is it 10-100? Section signal 100.
I'm gonna cuff him.
Yeah, if I'm at the time being.
What the fuck? 3 Charlie 9, you can advise medical to walk out onto their front ramp.
Received. I'm gonna lift signal 100. 49 stand up.
Hey.
Was he on that motorcycle over there?
Yeah, he lit it on fire,
Okay.
and
Did he have a
then
mask
I need to figure this out.
Alright. Here, boy, get in.
This is
No, he's been dumb today.
Fine.
I think once you killed him, it attacked you.
Hi.
Hey.
He got shot.
We heard.
We heard.
4 5
It's
49.
on.
Gonna be out with
Deputy, can you come over
two
here?
vehicle 1050.
Come back.
Gonna be on the 5 northbound lanes. So black.
What are you doing over there,
and
Chief?
white.
Staring at the wall.
All right, what do you need out of the bag?
Suck advice. Suck advice.
Drop the knife.
3 Charlie 9, I got the male in the fish mask.
Taser deployed now with a knife.
If you come at me with that, I'm gonna shoot you.
No, I'm just trying to make some renovations. to
Eagle
the
1,
car,
permission
okay?
to...
Get on the
knife,
goddamn
hands
ground.
up.
Pursuit on Tech 1.
You want your back turned done?
If you do that, if you come towards us, we're gonna shoot you.
Drop the knife, put your hands in your head.
Stop, or I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm not charging at you. I'm just trying to come.
You are coming at me with a weapon. Turn around and tase him again. Tase him again.
Taser deployed.
Drop the knife.
Hey, dude, I'm just trying to make some renovations.
Drop the knife.
55, what's the 20 in the 30 season?
Hey, I'm not. Hey, ow, ow. Hey,
Turn
okay,
around.
Okay. I just need to make some renovations to your
If
fucking
you
bike,
do it,
please.
I'm gonna shoot you again.
What? But it's not a threat. Okay, fine. Okay, ow, my arm hurts. Ow.
On your knees. On your knees. On your knees.
We just met. What is that, Lieutenant?
All yours, bud.
Hey, you want to go and I got lethal?
I can't arrest him.
Lethal,
He's
I'm
done it to my bike.
switching
It's
tires.
confliction of interest.
I'll take the report. I got. You want to switch to lethal then?
Yeah, I'll switch to lethal. You good?
Yep.
Actually, no, I really need to make some renovations to the bike, okay?
Stand up.
Okay, that's not necessary. Can I have my knife back?
No.
616.
You want a kiss?
No. If you do that, it's gonna be another charge.
Medic.
I'm gonna smack you with a baton.
I got a better one.
Okay, so in my defense, right? In my defense, I did nothing wrong.
616.
What crimes have I committed by helping better the experience of law
Have a seat
enforcement?
on the curb. Assault with bodily fluids.
Can you move, please?
No. Have a seat on the curb.
Control calling 59325.
Go ahead.
That's your 20 that you requested.
Okay, I'm having
You're gonna
a seat.
sit on the goddamn curb.
Or what? I'll stand up. My legs don't work.
Oh, they don't work.
Control 2616.
Nope.
Go ahead, sir.
Can I have you right up to station 6? 838.
Hey! Firefighters!
They're helping someone who is probably dead.
Excuse me?
Hey.
Alright, what's wrong with him?
I shot him once.
Shot him once where?
How can I join?
No, stop moving, buddy. Sit down.
If you don't...
Shut up, bitch. Who are you?
Over here, let's go.
Oh, I don't know directions.
329.
Hey, can
We're
you remove his
sufficient
mouth?
at station
No.
6.
No.
No.
This is super glued onto my face.
Stop.
It's gonna hurt. Please
Stop. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Can you fucking... Can you help me? I was shot in the fucking arm.
Yeah, that's what he's here for.
Hey! Shot in the arm.
Sit
I
on the
need
goddamn
medical
curb.
assistance.
Sit on the curb or we're gonna sit you on the curb.
Sit me on the curb then. Don't
Alright.
threaten me with a good time.
Trooper, come on. Let's sit him on the curb.
Alright.
Hey!
Alright, buddy. What's going on? What's wrong with...
I'm trying to help better the experience of cops by slashing their tires. They have too much air in their tires, you know. I just gotta help them out, and I'm getting arrested for no reason.
Okay, alright, whatever. I don't care about what you
I
did
shot
2
him in the
minutes
shoulder
ago. I
once.
care about how you feel. How do you feel right now?
Go ahead, sir.
Okay,
Look-
sit back
But
down.
you made me stand up by hitting me. That's how it works.
Oh, Chris.
Oh. That's a thing.
Chris.
What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Damn, smoking too much. Oh, fuck, look at that.
Excuse me, Lieutenant.
Yes.
Oh, that officer.
If
almost
you're
got
flying a boat
flat.
through the desert and the boat gets a
Just-
flat tire,
Just stop.
what should you have in your pocket?
They have one in custody right now, medical.
Alright, exit room, Chris. So it's just gonna patch up and go.
Thank you, sir.
What?
Excuse me, officer behind me. Officer.
I got a
This
through and
fuck-
through GSW to the arm. He's good. Wrap and go.
I would not like to be transported to the hospital, please.
Oh, you don't want to go to the hospital?
We'll check his A&O score. If he doesn't, then I'm happy to let him go.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Hey, buddy, sit down.
Sit back down or I'm gonna put you back on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Once again, they'll threaten me with a good time.
X-ray 49.
Hey, ow, that's super glued to my face.
Yeah.
Ow, 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 ow.
Excuse me. Oh, okay.
1015, one male. Starting mileage.
Sorry, I came in hot, guys.
Yeah, I'm ready, sir.
Why do you have a face mask?
20394.
Okay, I don't even
Repeating,
care.
20394.
Yeah, the hospital can deal with you on that one.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital. I like jail better.
Clearly.
I want to go with Chicago.
Yeah, man, 49 codes here.
Whoa! Hey! Take that bitch off. Give me that.
refusing
I'm not
medical
wearing
care.
I'm not wearing underwear below this.
You're
So you better
refusing
let me keep
medical care,
that.
correct? You're refusing
Every day.
medical care, correct?
Well, no fucking. Do I need to kiss you again?
I swear to God.
Come here, Lieutenant.
I swear to God. You're gonna get pepper sprayed. I don't think you want to be pepper sprayed.
I'm wearing a mask super good in my fucking face. Good luck, pepper
You gotta
spraying
get air
me.
somehow.
They have a little by the holes and all that. You know that.
Yeah, I'll just close my eyes.
Okay. Sit down.
That's a new
Alright,
one.
medic, if you want to step back for a minute.
Oh yeah, sure, gladly.
Back it up.
Hey, nope, okay.
That's what I thought.
I'll kiss you too, Trooper. Come here.
Pepper spray him.
Hey, ow. A little bit got in. Ow.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Help. Help.
No, sit on the goddamn curb.
I can't fucking see,
Alright, I'm
asshole.
gonna assist you to the curb then.
I can't fucking see, asshole.
I don't even think the antidote I carry would actually help. That
Just requesting supervisor identify.
Do you even want to go to the hospital?
No, as I've
Alright.
said 3 fucking times.
Alright, officer, I'm
Ow.
putting him in your car.
Help me, my fucking eyes hurt.
They'll help you at the jail. Or they'll help you once you get it.
you.
Alright, you want help? Alright, come on, let's go.
I said no.
Do you want help getting pepper spray out of your eyes?
Sir, civilian at 838.
I think it's starting to go out anyway.
Okay,
Is that a yes or a no? I need a yes or a no for my body cam.
The civilian claims his property
No.
was searched without a warrant or probable cause. His name's going to be Jason.
Copy, I'm in row.
Thank you, sir.
As of right now, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the
I
court.
already-
You have the right
I've been to jail
attorney
like
to
80
you.
million
Not a
times
formal
already. I
one
already
will
know
be
how this shit
attended to
works.
by the state of San Andreas. Do you understand these rights? Come over here real quick. I swear to God. No. Before I put you in the car.
Government rule says I can't run. Don't worry.
Before I put you in the car, do you have anything on you that's gonna poke, stick, stab, and piss me off? Turn around. Turn around, or you're gonna get pepper sprayed again.
I mean, that sounds great. I love pepper spray. I know, I'm kidding. I know that shit stinks.
Okay, that's disgusting.
Hey, give me
firearm,
that back.
great.
Can I have that back, please?
No. Watch your head.
Please.
Watch your head. Walk over the car a little more.
Cannon 22 dispatch.
22.
Sir, we got right down by the white truck
If you
here
could,
at
if you could book them for...
33 on the port, the freeway.
Sorry?
We apparently got hit by a car. Can you start medics?
I'll write the report if you could just send me his name.
I'll go must take him to station for
You
you.
said 733 off
I
the freeway?
got a lot more shit to deal with
Yep,
here.
733
I
on
have
the
two
port,
other
the
officer involved
freeway.
shootings I still gotta write up.
I believe it's
I have
like
another.
broken.
I have two other arrest
I'm out with
reports I gotta
blue
write
and
up.
white
So if you could
GMC
just send me
pickup
his name via Tango Sierra, that'd be appreciated.
Okay.
And then just book him for 30 for vandalism and resisting arrest.
Roger, if you have...
Shit, I don't get no felony evading. That makes my day.
Oh yeah, you did felony evade. All right, yeah, felony evasion as well.
Wow,
Okay, felony
Lieutenant doesn't
evasion.
even know the charges.
Because I didn't chase you.
Sir, can I have your name and badge number?
Bryce McMyers.
So resisting arrest
1934.
and
Great.
felony evading.
Yep.
Okay, I'll
Hey,
take it
bitch.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate you.
now. No problem.
Meow.
Actually, stand by. Hold on. I'm gonna
Come back to the cell for another
I'm
kiss,
gonna ask
Lieutenant.
them. No. I'm gonna ask them what they want him arrested for.
Okay.
3 Charlie 9.
Just let me know over radio.
Who chased the black motorbike with the male with the fish mask?
No, don't ask the hose draggers. They didn't.
No, I'm
What?
asking the cops who chased you. Okay, I guess I got no
That's
response.
fine.
All right, perfect. Yeah, just take them for those.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Okay.